If you've ever wondered how to find Telegram bots, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple way to search for the exact bot you need, whether you're looking for a username checker, an image bot, a downloader, or any other helpful Telegram bot. This is a quick tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time if you're new to Telegram, or if you just want to find the right tool faster. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram on your phone or on your desktop. Once you're in the app, go to the search bar at the top. This is where you can search for people, channels, groups, and bots. Now type the name of the bot you need, or type the category of the bot you want. For example, if you're looking for a username checker, you can type User Info Bot. If you want something for images, you can type Image Bot. You can also search for things like File Converter, Sticker Bot, Downloader Bot, or anything else related to what you want to do. As you type, Telegram will show you results below the search bar. Make sure you look specifically under the bots section. This is important because Telegram can show multiple types of results, and you want to choose an actual bot, not a channel or a random group. Once you find the bot you want, tap or click on it to open the chat. When the bot window opens, you'll usually see a Start button at the bottom. Click Start to begin using the bot. In many cases, the bot will instantly send you a welcome message or show you the available commands. Some bots ask you to choose an option from a menu, while others let you type a command right away. From here, you can follow the bot's instructions and start using its features. If you don't find the right bot on your first search, try changing the keyword a little bit. For example, instead of typing one exact name, search by what the bot does. That often helps you find the right result much faster. And that's it. That's how to find Telegram bots in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Telegram tips, app guides, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.